Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is UK tests new Skyhammer Interceptor missiles in Jordan to strengthen defense against drone threats in Middle East. The United Kingdom has successfully tested new British-built Skyhammer Interceptor missiles and launchers in Jordan, aiming to enhance protection against drone attacks for UK forces and Gulf partners. The trials mark a step forward in countering Shahd-style aerial threats and strengthening regional security cooperation. The system, developed by UK startup Cambridge Aerospace, was tested in demanding desert conditions at a defense development facility operated by Deep Element. The missiles have a range of 30 kilometers and can reach speeds of up to 700 kilometers per hour. The test follows a multi-million-pound contract signed less than 2 weeks ago between the Ministry of Defence and Cambridge Aerospace to supply Skyhammer missiles to the UK Armed Forces. Initial deliveries are expected in May, with further shipments of missiles and launchers scheduled within the first 6 months of the agreement. The trial coincided with a visit to Kuwait and Jordan by Luke Pollard, who held discussions on regional security and defence cooperation. He also met regional leaders and thanked UK personnel involved in protecting partners' airspace during Iranian attacks prior to the ceasefire. Pollard said, "We are stepping up alongside UK industry to offer rapid support to our partners in the Middle East." This week's successful trial of Cambridge Aerospace's Skyhammer Interceptor missiles in Jordan is a perfect example of a UK startup innovating with the backing of this government to deliver cutting-edge technology. He added, "My visit to Kuwait and Jordan shows that the UK is standing by our long-term partners and delivering on our promise to provide support." The multi-million-pound contract with Cambridge Aerospace is boosting British business by creating over 50 new jobs and supporting 125 current jobs, making defense an engine for growth. Cambridge Aerospace Chief Executive Stephen Barrett said the system had proven its effectiveness during testing. "We have proven that our interceptors are not only cost-effective but also highly capable and will be able to counter the rising threat posed by aerial attacks," he said. Barrett added, "We welcome the support of the UK Ministry of Defence as Cambridge Aerospace looks to protect the UK and its partners with high-performance, rapidly deployable air defence systems." The company's technology is intended to address evolving aerial threats seen in conflicts such as Ukraine and the Middle East. During his visit, Pollard met Kuwait's defense minister, Sheikh Abdullah Ali Abdullah Al Salem Al Sabah, and other senior officials. He praised the efforts of Kuwaiti forces and UK personnel in protecting civilians and critical infrastructure during Iran's recent missile and drone campaign. UK-operated systems in Kuwait, including Rapid Sentry and Orcus, have been used to detect and respond to drone threats. These systems allow early identification of incoming drones and enable defensive action to be taken. In Jordan, Pollard also met Youssef Al-Nadi to discuss ongoing defense cooperation. The talks highlighted the long-standing UK-Jordan partnership and shared commitment to regional stability. The Ministry of Defense said it is accelerating export processes and financing through its National Armaments Director Group to support Gulf partners. A new task force has been established to coordinate efforts across government, support defense supply chains, and address operational requirements arising from the conflict.